Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can change your name in Reddit. So the one thing only you can change is the display name. You can't actually change your real name here on Reddit. You need to create a new account and close this one. So when I go to my profile, I will just click here to edit, and right here I just want to go like Marcus Stonelius second, click save, and here this is going to change my display name, right? This is not going to change my username. As you can see, the display name changed. The username is still going to be the same, but the people are going to see only the Marcus Stonelius here, right? So to delete it, I'll go like this, and it will change to normal username. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy, and have a great day and goodbye.